What's up everybody, Luis here with Leal Insurance Services, and today I want to talk about 3 things that most people don't understand about their home insurance policy until it comes claim time. We're going to talk about your deductible, how you actually get paid after a loss, and how roof claims actually work. And just for context, I'm saying this after 16 years of being an insurance agency owner and sitting across the table from homeowners who want solid protection, but also want a fair price, which honestly is completely reasonable. First, let's get into the deductible. Simply put, this is your out-of-pocket expense before an insurance company steps in to help. So if you have a $2,000 deductible on a $12,000 claim, you pay the first $2,000 and the insurance company covers the rest. Now, here's the part where people accidentally get themselves into trouble. They choose a higher deductible to save money on their monthly cost, which does lower the price, but it increases what they have to pay out in the event of a real emergency. So let me give you a real world scenario. A pipe bursts, a storm hits, or a roof gets damaged. That deductible is going to come due whether you have a good month financially or not. So the real question isn't just that I get the cheapest policy. It's, could I comfortably handle this out-of-pocket expense if something happened tomorrow? Next, how you get paid after a loss is huge. There are generally 2 ways that an insurance company can pay you. One pays what it would cost today to fix or replace something. The other pays for what your item is worth today after years of use. Think about your TV, your furniture, or even your roof. If it's older, it's not worth what it was when it was brand new. So if your policy pays on actual cash value, the check may be a lot smaller than you think. But if your loss settlement is based on replacement cost, you're in a much better position to actually repair or replace without a huge financial hit. 2 policies can look very similar on price, but one detail can make a huge difference come claim time. Now, let's talk about roofs, because this is where homeowners get surprised. A lot of people think, well, if my roof gets damaged, the insurance is just gonna write one big check. In reality, that's not how it usually works. Most insurance companies pay in stages. First, they send an initial check based on the current age and condition of the roof. Then, once the roof is actually repaired or replaced and proof is submitted, they'll release any remaining amount. So, yes, in many cases, you may have to start the repair or replacement process before actually receiving the full payout. Also, some policies treat roofs differently depending on storm damage or even the age, which can change how you get paid. Look, now here's the real honest perspective that I share with most clients. It's completely normal to focus on price. We all do it. I'm a consumer as well. But when it comes to home insurance, the cheapest option often means a higher out-of-pocket cost, smaller claims payments, or more surprises during stressful situations. And the reality is you don't feel those differences when you're paying the monthly premium. You feel them when something actually goes wrong. That's why we here at Leal Insurance Services slow down the process and explain to you in plain English. So you're not just buying a policy. You're choosing the level of protection that actually fits your life. Because at the end of the day, good insurance isn't just affordable. It should actually show up for you when you need it most. Reliable coverage, clear guidance, real support. That's the Leal Insurance Services way.